Hey guys! Welcome back to reactjs examples channel. Today we are talking about SuperProps landing page template. Enter the world of limitless possibilities with SuperProps, a groundbreaking collection of multipurpose React templates crafted by REDQ. Whether you're running agencies, portfolios, SaaS, food delivery services, nonprofits, interior design firms, hosting companies, or more, SuperProps is your gateway to impactful online presence. Designed with React, Next.js, style system and styled component, SuperProps simplifies the creation of engaging landing pages that leave a lasting impact. Fluid performance, easy changes, these templates redefine user experience. Unleash your creativity effortlessly. From promoting food delivery services with style to showcasing apps with creativity, supporting charitable causes with compassion, or building a strong online presence for hosting services, SuperProps caters to your every need. Precise architecture and pre-designed layouts empower you to present your products or services at lightning-fast speed. Enhance online visibility, achieve unparalleled success. SuperProps is your key to leaving a lasting impression. Dive deeper with SuperProps portfolio landing page templates. Clean, creative, and highly customizable. Whether it's for agency or personal portfolios, these templates, powered by React Next Portfolio, redefine the standards of responsiveness and customization. SaaS Modern, a responsive, professional, and multipurpose SaaS template, a powerful tool for any landing page. SaaS Classic, a blend of creativity and professionalism, perfect for SaaS and software-style websites. And that's not all. SuperProps offers specialized templates like ride-sharing for creating transportation networks and SaaS product for showcasing your product with limitless customization. Easy deployment, Vercel and Firebase integration guides, and SEO-friendly blazing fast performance, SuperProps has redefined the game. These templates, based on React, Next, and Gatsby, are not just visually stunning but also feature-rich, with MailChimp, SendGrid, and Google Analytics integrations. Get ready to soar above the competition. SuperProps, where innovation meets versatility. So guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. So that's it, goodbye.